Tech Flashback. Google celebrates 27th birthday with nostalgic 90s logo. Mountain View, CA. The global search giant Google is celebrating its 27th birthday today, September 27, by rolling out a wave of nostalgia with a special Google Doodle that revives the company's first-ever logo from 1998. The colorful, vintage design, which featured a drop shadow and a serif typeface, is currently displayed prominently on the Google search homepage, transporting billions of users back to the late 1990s. The accompanying message simply reads, "Today's Doodle marks Google's 27th birthday. Thank you for searching with us throughout the years." From garage to global powerhouse. The nostalgic Doodle is a deliberate throwback to Google's humble beginnings as a research project, founded by PhD students Larry Page and Sergey Brin in a Menlo Park, California, garage. While the company was officially incorporated on September 4, 1998, Google has long celebrated its symbolic birthday on September 27. This date was chosen in later years to commemorate a significant milestone when the company indexed a record number of web pages, solidifying its position as a leading search engine. Celebrating the past, eyeing the future asterisk. The search giant's 27th anniversary celebration is not solely focused on its history. The company noted that the vintage logo is meant to transport you back to the 90s and teleport into the future by checking out Google's newest AI innovation, underscoring its continued drive to lead in artificial intelligence and next-generation technologies. In addition to the Doodle, the company is offering special deals and discounts on its line of Pixel devices and other hardware through the Google Store, inviting users to celebrate the milestone with a gift to themselves.